Year 9 Trigonometry Exam Practice Question 8. Chris wants to use a rectangular pencil box. What is the length of the longest pencil that would fit inside the box shown? Give your answer to the nearest centimeter. So the first thing I think about is where would the pencil need to go to be the longest in this container? Well, to start off, it will be from corner to corner, but from the bottom corner all the way through to the top. So we need to find out some information. The first thing that we need to find out is we need to work on getting our base of our triangle. To do that, we can see that we've got another triangle here that we need to solve. So I'm going to find out my base of my main triangle, and to do that I need to find the hypotenuse of this triangle right here. So we know that we've got 20 centimeters and it is by 12 centimeters. So the first thing I need to do is use my understanding of Pythagoras' theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We know my a is 20, so we've got 20 squared. We know my b is 12, so we've got 12 squared, and that is equal to c squared. So we just need to work that out. So 20 squared is 400. 12 squared is 144, and that is equal to our c squared. So the next thing that we know is we know that we've got 400 plus 144 equals 544. And that is equal to c squared. So I would like to get c by itself. So I need to square root both sides. So the square root of 544 is 23.32. So now I know my base is 23.32. I know my height of my second triangle. We just need to find the hypotenuse. So I'm going to draw up my other triangle now so we are able to solve it. I'll just move this over so you got some space. So my hypotenuse is the red line. I don't know what it is, but we did just work out my base of my main triangle, and my base is 23.32. We already knew our height of the box, which is 10. So again, now I know that, all I need to do is solve it. So I've got a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So the next thing I need to do is substitute all of the values in. So a squared is 23.32 squared. B is 10 squared, and it is equal to c squared. So I know 23.32 squared is 543.8224, and 10 squared is 100. And that is equal to our c squared. Now to get c by itself, I'm going to need to square it the other side. But before I do, I'm just going to add 100 to it. So then I know that c squared is equal to 643.82. So if I square root both sides, the power of 2 cancels out on my left hand side, and the square root of 643.82 is equal to 25.37. So the nearest centimeter would be 25 centimeters. So the biggest pencil that can fit in here would be 25 centimeters.